So guys, hi, I'm Samyuk Setri and I'm today here to show you guys on how to be a web page designer. So guys, I'm showing today a basic practice of HTML and basic of HTML, but I will be uploading full tutorials day by day. So watch the video. Welcome to my technical channel Technologies. So guys, in this video I will show you guys, I will tell you something about HTML basics. So guys, some basic about HTML. So guys, I'm going to today show on how to create a HTML file. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, we have to open Notepad. It is available in every version of Windows. So guys, it can be Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows and 1998, Windows 8, 8.1, 10. In every version of Windows it is available for free, guys. It's system software. So guys, first of all we have to type here HTML. Then we have to have a gap. So guys, and HTML. So guys, this is the this is a basic structure of HTML. So guys, which I have selected here is it is a wildcard. It is a wildcard symbol, guys. This is a greater than and this is less than. So guys, this is a wildcard symbol in a computer, so it denotes HTML is started. So this is the starting of HTML and this is the ending of HTML. So guys, between them HTML. So guys, here is head, and head should be closed, and head should be closed, guys. So, and this is the head. This is the head part of this HTML. It contains title of a web page, guys. So, and next, and the main part is body. Body is a tag where all the body. So guys, body is the part where all the information, where all the web pages information are kept. So guys, this is the body, this head, and in this head we have to add the title of the website, title, title. So guys, and this should be again closed by this title, title. So between them title we have to put title. Likewise, www.techno legends.com. So guys, this is title of this story and it is denoted by the title tag. So guys, head part complete, and this is the body part. So guys, body part, I am typing practicing HTML. So guys, I am practicing HTML. So guys, this is a result of this page. So let me save and show you. Let me save and show you guys what I write. HTML, and don't forget to write extension marks. So guys, point and HTML should be typed, guys. So .html should be typed. So save it. I have saved it in desktop. So guys, let us see. I'm using Microsoft is guys, every web browser can be used, but I am using Opera browser. So guys, we can let's open. So guys, I am using Opera browser. So see here guys, we have typed, I am practicing HTML only. So this is the main part of this HTML. So guys, see, head HTML, it is the main part guys. This and this are the main part. And head, I have told you head always contains title. So guys, title, and you can see here title is here, www.technolegends.com. So guys, and title is here, and head is that, and body is that, and I am practicing HTML. So guys, if I add something, I am practicing HTML, and the full form of HTML is, so HYPER, hyper text markup language. So guys, so I have typed here, I am practicing HTML, and the full form of HTML is Hyper Text Markup Language. So guys, this is the full form of HTML. So first of all, we have to save it guys. So markup language, I have added that markup language. So guys, first of all, we have to save it. I am directly using Ctrl S. You can save from there, or you can type Ctrl S from your keyboard. So guys, Ctrl S. So when I reload it, so guys, you can see here, and the full form of HTML is Hyper Text Markup Language. And this much guys, today video is going very long. So guys, I will be uploading another video and next day. So have a good day.